Staying hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst. It's the foundation of your body's daily function.
When you're even slightly dehydrated, your brain has to work harder to perform basic tasks.
The old rule of 8 glasses a day is a good start, but your actual needs might be higher depending on your activity.
Fatigue and headaches are often the first whispers of a body that's running low on fluids. Listen to these signals before they become a louder problem. Try carrying a reusable water bottle with you everywhere. It serves as a constant visual reminder to sip. Consistency is the key to making hydration a habit.
The secret to changing your life isn't a massive overhaul. It's the tiny habits you repeat every single day.
Most people fail because they aim for getting fit instead of walking 10 minutes. Specificity is your best friend. If a new habit takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Put on your gym shoes. Just that one act breaks the friction of starting. You don't need 2 hours in the gym. 20 minutes of focused movement is infinitely better than an hour of scrolling on your phone between sets. Sleep is the ultimate performance enhancer. Without 7 hours, your hormones for hunger and recovery go completely haywire. Stop saying, I'm trying to eat healthy. Start saying, I am a healthy person. The shift in identity changes every choice you make at the dinner table.
If you get a flat tire, you don't slash the other 3. So if you have one bad meal, don't ruin the whole day. Just get back on track.
Your workout is only 5% of your day. The steps you take while talking on the phone or cleaning the house, that's where the real metabolic magic happens.
Get sunlight in your eyes within 30 minutes of waking up. It sets your circadian clock and ensures you'll actually be tired when 10 p.m. rolls around.
Don't do it alone. Find a partner, join a group, or just tell a friend your goal. External stakes make it much harder to back out when you're feeling tired. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It keeps you full and protects your metabolism while you're losing fat. Aim for a palm-sized portion at every meal. Celebrate the fact that you showed up to the gym regardless of how the workout went. Rewarding the behavior makes the behavior stick. When you reach for food and you're not hungry, stop for 10 seconds. Ask yourself, am I hungry or am I just stressed? That pause is where your power lives.
Sometimes hunger is just thirst in disguise. Drink a large glass of water before your meal and watch how much more in control you feel.
Instead of thinking about what you can't have, focus on what you can add. Add more greens, add more fiber, add more water. Abundance is a better motivator than restriction. 3 hours before bed, no food. 2 hours, no work. 1 hour, no screens. Follow this and you'll wake up a different person. Recovery doesn't mean being sedentary. A light walk or some mobility work keeps the blood flowing and actually heals your muscles faster than doing nothing. You didn't get out of shape in a week, and you won't get in shape in a week. Give your body the time it deserves to adapt.
Start your day with 5 minutes of movement. It signals to your brain that you are in control, and that momentum carries through your entire afternoon.
You can undo a great workout in 5 minutes with a high sugar latte. Watch what you drink as closely as what you eat. Eat your fiber, your salad or veggies first. It coats the gut and slows down the glucose spike from the rest of your meal. It's a simple hack for steady energy. Motivation is a feeling, discipline is a choice. On the days you don't feel like it, that's when the real progress is made. Inhale for 4, hold for 4. Exhale for 4, hold for 4.
Don't just stay in the gym. Get outside. Natural light and vitamin D are essential for your immune system and your mood.
Set a time, say 8 p.m., where the kitchen is officially closed. If the lights are off and the store is shut, you're much less likely to graze on junk. Your grip strength is a massive predictor of your overall health and longevity. Don't neglect those heavy carries and functional movements. And put your phone in another room an hour before bed. The blue light and the dopamine hits are keeping your brain awake long after you close your eyes. Don't say, I can't do a pull-up. Say, I can't do a pull-up yet. That one word changes your brain from a fixed state to a growth state. A perfect workout once a month is useless. A good enough workout 3 times a week for a year is life-changing. Consistency is the only metric that matters. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one thing from this video and do it today. Just one. I'll see you in the next one. When you feel that urge to skip your workout, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move before your brain can talk you out of it.
Your metabolism drops by 90% after 30 minutes of sitting. Stand up, stretch, and reset your body's fat-burning enzymes.
Your eyes eat before your stomach does. Use a smaller plate to trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less.
Breathe through your nose, not your mouth. It filters the air and triggers your parasympathetic nervous system to keep you calm and focused.
You might be eating a healthy salad, but if you douse it in store-bought dressing, you're essentially adding a dessert's worth of sugar.
Blueberries and raspberries aren't just snacks. They're cellular armor that protects your skin and brain from oxidative stress.
When a craving hits, wait 10 minutes, drink 10 ounces of water, and take 10 deep breaths. Most of the time, the urge will simply pass. If your muscles are tight or you can't shut your brain off at night, you might be low on magnesium. It's the original chill pill for your body. Just a 10-minute stroll after dinner helps your muscles soak up glucose, preventing that post-meal energy crash. If you've trained before, your cells remember. Don't be discouraged by a break. Your body is primed to bounce back faster than you think. Calcium is great, but K2 is the traffic cop that tells it where to go. It keeps your heart healthy and your bones strong.
You can drink 500 calories in a soda or juice and still be hungry 10 minutes later. Stick to water, tea, and coffee to keep your fat loss on track.
Starting your day with 30 grams of protein stabilizes your blood sugar and shuts down the hunger hormones that cause late-night binging.
Get the stress out of your head and onto paper. 5 minutes of morning journaling can lower your cortisol and set a calm tone for your entire day.
Lifting weights and saunas are good stress. They make you stronger. Chronic work stress makes you weaker. Learn to balance the two for optimal health.
When you're not constantly digesting food, your brain can focus on repair and cognitive function. It's like giving your body a much-needed internal cleanup.
Muscle is metabolic real estate. The more you have, the more calories you burn while sitting still. Never stop lifting. 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking, followed by 30 minutes of low-intensity exercise. This is the ultimate metabolic reset.
The blue light from your phone tells your brain it's noon. Wear blockers or put the screens away to let your melatonin naturally prepare you for deep sleep.
Don't look for hacks. Look for habits. Doing the basics 80% of the time for years will beat any 30-day challenge every single time.
Use your full range of motion. Deep squats keep your hips and knees lubricated and functional as you age. If you don't use it, you lose it.
80% of your immune system lives in your gut. Feed it fermented foods and probiotics to keep your defenses high and your digestion smooth. When you bring a new treat into the house, remove one processed item. It keeps your pantry from becoming a source of temptation. Water alone isn't always enough. You need sodium, potassium, and magnesium to keep your muscles firing and prevent that mid-workout wall. Take a 15-second break in the middle of your set. It allows you to squeeze out a few more reps and maximize your muscle growth in half the time. 5 minutes of direct sunlight in the morning triggers serotonin production. It's the easiest way to start your day with a positive mindset. Get your shoes off and walk on the grass. It strengthens the small muscles in your feet and helps ground your body's electrical system. Work for 25 minutes, then move for 5. This cycle keeps your brain sharp and prevents the physical stiffness that comes with long hours at a desk. Chew your food 20 times before swallowing. It gives your brain time to register fullness and makes digestion much easier on your system. Never miss 2 days in a row. You can miss one for travel or rest, but day 2 is mandatory to keep the momentum alive. Keep your nap to exactly 20 minutes. Any longer and you'll wake up groggy. Any shorter and you won't get the cognitive reset. Fatty fish or high-quality supplements are non-negotiable for brain health. Think of omega-3s as oil for your internal machinery.
Thinking of 3 things you're grateful for every morning isn't just woo-woo. It physically lowers your stress hormones and stabilizes your heart.
If you see an elevator and stairs, take the stairs. It's a free, high-intensity workout that builds leg strength and cardiovascular endurance every single day.
Vitamin C isn't just for colds. It's a vital building block for collagen, keeping your skin elastic and your joints moving smoothly. Try to get some protein in within an hour of your training. Your muscles are like sponges during this time, ready to repair and grow.
Your health is the only thing you can't buy back once it's gone. Take one small step today, and your future self will thank you. See you next time. If you don't want to work out, just commit to 1 minute. Usually, once you start, the hardest part is over. Step outside for 5 minutes every morning. The sunlight hits your retinas and tells your brain exactly when to start the clock for a perfect night's sleep.
Sitting is the new smoking. Even standing for just 2 hours of your workday can significantly improve your blood sugar regulation and focus. A handful of almonds or a boiled egg will keep you full for hours, whereas a sugary snack will leave you crashing in 30 minutes. Don't say I'm trying to lose weight. Say I am someone who takes care of my body. When you change your identity, the habits follow automatically.
If you get a flat tire, you don't slash the other three. So if you have one bad meal, don't ruin the whole day. Just get back on track.
Your workout is only 5% of your day. The steps you take while talking on the phone or cleaning the house, that's where the real metabolic magic happens. 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower can boost your white blood cell count and increase your resilience to stress. Don't do it alone. Find a partner, join a group, or just tell a friend your goal. External stakes make it much harder to back out when you're feeling tired. Can't find an hour? Find 5 minutes. Do 10 air squats and 10 push-ups. It keeps the habit alive and the momentum building. 3 hours before bed, no food. 2 hours, no work. 1 hour, no screens. Follow this and you'll wake up a completely different person.
Before you reach for a snack, drink a glass of water. Often, your body isn't hungry, it's just thirsty.
Get your shoes off and walk on the grass. Earthing helps neutralize free radicals and lowers stress levels instantly.
Take a 15-second break in the middle of your set. It allows you to push for 2 more reps, maximizing muscle growth without adding more time to your workout.
4, 3, 2, 1. When the alarm goes off, move your body before your brain can talk you into staying under the covers.
Eat your salad or veggies before the carbs. The fiber creates a mesh in your gut that slows down the sugar spike, preventing the afternoon energy crash. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. It's the fastest way to switch your nervous system from fight to rest. If you're cramping or can't sleep, you're likely low on magnesium. It's vital for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. Stop mouth breathing during your walks. Nasal breathing increases oxygen uptake and trains your body to be more efficient at burning fat. Cold showers, fasting, and heavy lifting are good stresses. They trigger your body to repair itself better than it was before. Most people are deficient in vitamin D. It's not just for bones. It's a pro-hormone that regulates your mood and immune system.
Digestion starts in the mouth. By chewing more, you give your brain time to signal that you're full before you overeat.
A short walk after eating helps your muscles soak up glucose, preventing the sugar spike and the subsequent crash. Never miss 2 days in a row. Missing 1 day is a mistake. Missing 2 is the start of a new bad habit.
Your screens are telling your brain it's daytime. Block the blue light after 8 p.m. to let your body naturally prepare for deep sleep.
Don't go at 100% every day. Aim for 70%. It's enough to make progress, but low enough that you'll actually show up tomorrow. Thinking of 3 things you're grateful for every morning isn't just woo-woo. It physically lowers your cortisol levels.
80% of your immune system lives in your gut. Feed it fermented foods and fiber to keep your defenses high.
By 8 p.m., your willpower is exhausted. Plan your dinner in the morning so you don't make a poor choice when you're tired. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose friends who prioritize their health, and you will too. Don't focus on what you can't have. Focus on adding more greens, more protein, and more water. The good stuff will naturally crowd out the bad.
Your brain is mostly fat. High-quality omega-3s are like oil for your internal machinery. They keep your focus sharp and your mood stable. A small win at 7 a.m. creates a dopamine hit that makes you more likely to choose a healthy breakfast at 8 a.m. Momentum is everything.
If you're drinking water but still feel tired, you might be low on salt and potassium. You need electrolytes to actually get that water into your cells. 3 deep breaths, 3 minutes of movement, 3 things to be grateful for. Do this whenever you feel overwhelmed. Don't just stretch. Move your joints through their full range of motion. It keeps the tissue hydrated and prevents aches and pains. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for the first of the month. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now.